Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. We have a new news clip today. Rideshare drivers are rallying for help from their governor. Drivers are now not even contacting Uber and Lyft anymore. Now they're asking the government to help them with their pay. We're gonna take a look today. Firstly, if you do want more income as an Uber and Lyft driver, check out our link below for Play Octopus. T-Mobile just bought this company and they're sending every single driver who applies a free tablet to start earning income. Free money waiting for you. All you gotta do is install it in your car. And now let's get started.
Now, rideshare drivers are getting ready to rally at the state capitol. Uber and Lyft drivers want more help and support amid record high gas prices. Channel 3 Hartford Bureau Chief Aya Galel is live in Hartford, East Hartford, with more on the change drivers want to see. Aya, what can you tell us?
First of all, I have to say, I love that Uber and Lyft is on the news. I love that drivers are getting mainstream coverage because Uber and Lyft drivers right now are really bearing the burden of high gas prices and inflation. And the fact that Uber and Lyft has refused to raise prices, like you think of all the companies that increase minimum wage, it goes up every single year. Uber, Lyft, they don't increase fares, nothing.
Hi there, Caitlin. Well, I can tell you drivers I spoke with today say that they want better working conditions and also better pay. This comes amid record high gas prices. And so they've gathered here in East Hartford, and then a caravan of Uber and Lyft drivers will make its way towards the state capitol. And joining me live now to talk a little bit more about the demands drivers want to see is Sohail Rana. You're one of the senior organizers. Tell me about what you want to see differently.
So this company, by the way, this is a rideshare drivers group. Pretty awesome. Do you think that drivers need a union now? I don't know.
My name is Sohail Rana. I'm with the Independent Drivers Guild.
Independent Drivers Guild, by the way, if you're watching this, hit me up.
What we want is Uber and Lyft drivers a fair pay.
I would be very happy to have an in-depth 2-3 hour long conversation with you going over all the issues and how we can actually provide solutions to drivers across the nation. Let's continue listening.
For the drivers. There are so many ways right now. The gas prices have skyrocketed. Inflation is skyrocketing.
By the way, that hair in the background right here, pretty impressive. Should I get that with mine?
Record inflation, and drivers are still making a lot less money. On top of that, Uber and Lyft, they take a cut, 40-50% cut, or sometimes even more. So what all the drivers are gathered here, we want fair pay for the drivers, for their families.
All right, thank you so much, Sohail. And so at 12:30, this caravan of drivers will make its way towards the Connecticut State Capitol in Hartford. We're going to have updates coming up on Eyewitness News at 6 p.m. For now, reporting live in East Hartford, Aya Galel, Channel 3.
Woo, woo, woo! Let's rally, 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 baby! More pay, more pay, more pay! Awesome. Please thumbs up the video, my friends. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts. Do drivers deserve more pay? And also, check out our link for Play Octopus below. Get your free tablet, start earning income as a driver. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.